Imagine a tiny red berry swooping in like a superhero for your health. Cranberries don't wear capes, but they sure do save the day, packed with powers like fighting infections, boosting heart health, and more. These little wonders are the unsung heroes your diet needs.
Prevent UTIs.
Cranberries help prevent UTIs by preventing bacteria from adhering to urinary tract walls, maintaining a healthy urinary system.
Lowers cholesterol.
Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, which help lower cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease.
Good gut health.
Cranberries provide fiber that supports digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes gut health, thus ensuring smooth bowel movements.
Strengthens immunity.
Packed with vitamin C, cranberries strengthen the immune system, protect against infections, and increase the body's ability to fight off illnesses. Maintains liver health. Cranberries help detoxify the body by aiding liver function. They help in flushing out toxins and maintaining liver health.
Prevents premature aging.
Cranberries' antioxidants protect the skin from damage, reduce premature aging, and maintain healthy skin by fighting environmental stressors.
Boosts oral health.
Cranberries help prevent plaque from building up on teeth and gums, reducing the risk of gum disease and improving oral health.
Improves circulation.
Antioxidants in cranberries help reduce blood pressure and improve circulation, promoting heart health and lowering the risk of heart problems.
Fights inflammation.
Cranberries contain anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce chronic inflammation and discomfort. So, whether you're blending them into smoothies, tossing them in salads, or enjoying them as a snack, cranberries are your delicious ticket to a healthier life. Want more tips and stories to supercharge your wellness journey? Hit that subscribe button and join us for more.